Alright, welcome back. Oh, look out. Alright, today, small project. We have the wood chipper, and we're going to put a new connector on it because the battery charger on it is dead. So we wire it directly into the truck. So we're going to use one of these. So I already have this cut. What I'm going to do is wire one end into this and one end into the truck, and that way there, whenever we need to run the chipper, we can just hook it up to the trailer hitch, plug her in, boom, positive, negative, and we're on our way. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get to it. Comes with two of these that are preset that go on the end of the wire, crimped in, and then fit into the block. Nope, I guess we're soldering it. Then what happens is there's little tangs in here and a little belly on the bottom. They're positive and negative. We're going to slide them in here so that the little belly that's on the bottom here goes down, and the little lock that's on the top goes up and collects into this, and we'll be ready to go. Who are you? Do I know you? Okay, so now they're snapped in, insulated, and snapped in. You can see them right there. See the two clips? Good size, beefy plug. won't connect that yet. If I had a magnet, I could just stick it right there. Volts, DC volts. Positive, negative. 12.17. 12.17 volts. So we did something right. So now I'm going to have to get a box, mount the box there to keep this out of the weather, because that's, touch that, ooh, 12 volts. That's good. Closed. We got a 12 volt here. We got a 12 volt there. I should put a switch in there though, huh? I'm going to have to find a switch for that. So I'm going to look online, one of the websites, find a box for this that I can mount to the back, even if it's magnetized, that I can put this in watertight, and that'll wrap this up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was not a very long one, but anyway, that's gonna do it on this Tuesday. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Like, share, follow. Check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we'll see you in a little bit. Until the next one, have a good day. Hey Max, Mr. Bockety Bock Pants. Well, now you want to settle down.